Hey guys, it's Albies, and today I'm going to give a short walkthrough on how to hack the non-internet dinosaur on Google Chrome. Even if you don't have Wi-Fi, or you do have Wi-Fi, you can do this. So just search up this, and you've got it right there. And then, all you got to do is play the game, whatever. But then, oh no, you died. But if you click inspect by right-clicking on the screen, you can go to console and then type this in. Type that in exactly, and then press enter, close the bit, and then you have got basically God mode on this non-internet dinosaur. And look, you can get high score of